With every hunting season comes the lowest of lows and the highest of highs. But one thing we can count on for sure is making memories that will last a lifetime.
Pounded him, baby. First double beard. This is definitely one I'll remember forever. Yes!
Pennsylvania. I'm with my beautiful wife and my little brother. It's Kids Day, so he's up to bat. We roosted a bird last night. We thought we roosted a bird last night. And the bird moved about 1,000 yards from 8 p.m. where we last seen him. So he wasn't gobbling. The weather was too crappy yesterday. But he's gobbling this morning. He's just 1,000 yards from us. We'll see what happens. Stick with us. We're hoping to get this guy another long bird. Maybe we'll get lucky and he'll want to come across. He's coming. He's like halfway across that.
Alright.
How's that for service, baby?
How's that, Silas?
Good.
What do you say, dude? That turkey come 1,000 yards in the first half hour. He gobbled this morning. I thought, we're not gonna get him. I can't believe that bird moved that far last night. He hit the ground, and the next time he gobbled, he'd close 500 yards, easy. And the next time he gobbled, he was 100 yards from the blind. I told them, I said, he's coming. And sure enough, we could hear him. This is a wood line. We could hear him spitting, drumming right up that side. And I was looking for the bird in the woods, and I looked down at my viewfinder, and he's coming up. He come through and was coming up the wood line already. You just hammered him, baby. Give me a high five. My heart's thumping. That's why we do it right there. What time is it? He's got a phone. My phone. 6:29, baby. We're tagged up. That's what I'm talking about.
Good job, Silas.
Good job. You pounded him too. My stinking bead, I knocked it off of my gun this morning. We got in the blind and then I realized I don't have a bead. He looked down the barrel. He's like, "Where's the bead?" I was like, "I don't know. Just use the barrel." All right. Alright, look at that. Got a nice thick rope on him. 6:30, we're done. Come here, I want to show you something. So, the bird was right here in this field last night at 8 p.m. And I assumed he'd went, there was a big stand of oaks behind us. And I assumed he went into them to roost. So we come in here this morning and set up. And then when he gobbled this morning, he was right where the sun's coming up. It's about at least 750 yards across the field, and then it's up a mine hill. I'd say he was 100 yards in the woods. They roost right on the crest. And it was 6:29 when he got to when he was dead. So he flew down, come all the way up this wood line, and then if you look over here, this is our blind setup. And he come up this plowed strip on the other side of the wood line. We could hear him spitting and drumming as he come past the blind. And then this wood line is so thick here that he couldn't find a hole to get through, and he literally ran down the fence row until he found a hole and then turned, come through it, come right up the decoys, and Silas got his bird at 6:29 on junior day. Well, I got this brand new Dave Smith decoy, and on junior day, we're gonna christen it. There's some turkey blood. We'll rub it on the decoy for good luck. Now she's ready to go for a season of killing. Dave Smith makes the best. Let's go. Brings nothing.
Dude, the whole back is full.
Is that why you have a turkey vest, just to carry snacks?
A Danish, roll-ups, Pop-Tart bites, and Dr. Pepper.
Really?
You got enough?
I'm ready.
Dude, I got
I have a whole turkey to carry.
Oh my. I'd rather carry the turkey.